ಆಯ್ತು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Thank you, madam. Now I request Mr. NCY and Maunesh B. Badigar to escort Honorable PDJ of Yadgiri unit to the dais. Last but not the least, now I request Mr. NCY and SSP to escort our Advocates Association Bar President Sri SP Nadekar to the dais.
So Honorable Chief Justice has joined from Bangalore.
May I seek the permission of Honorable Justice Sri Abhay Srinivas Oak, the Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, to commence the program?
Yes, yes.
Much obliged, my lords. Good morning to one and all. It is often said, courts are temples of justice and lawyers are their pillars. It's our immense pleasure who are gathered here both physically and virtually to witness laying of foundation stone to one such temple at Yadgiri. Before moving ahead, may I request all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais to rise up for our Nadagite.
ಮಕುಟದ ನವಮಣಿಯೇ
ಗಂಧದ ಚಂದದ ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ
ರಾಘವ ಮಧುಸೂದನ ರವತರಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜೋಗುಳ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾರೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಚಿರನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸ षडक्षरि पन्ना कंपल कुविपति जन्ना कुमार व्यासर मंगल धाम कवि कोकिलगळ पुण्य राम नानक रामानंद कबीरर भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರಾಳಿದ ನಾಡೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಟಣರ ನಚ್ಚಿನ ಬೀಡೆ ಶರಾವತಿ ಕುಂಡ ಕಾವೇರಿಯವರ ರಂಗ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಪರಮಹಂಸ ವಿವೇಕರ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ ಪಾರಸಿಕ ಜೈನರುದ್ಯಾನ ಜನಕನ ಹೋಲುವ ಹೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ ಕಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ಗೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿ ವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೃದಯಗಳಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. Now I request Honorable Chief Justice Sri Abhay Srinivas Oak to inaugurate laying of foundation stone for construction of District Court Complex and Advocates Bar Association Yadgiri virtually by the click of button.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
My lords, I thank you in the name of all the judicial officers of this unit, lawyers, litigants, and people of all classes and sects for inaugurating this foundation stone. My lords, with your deemed permission, I request D Group senior workers by name Suleiman Beg and Chandrakala to inaugurate the laying of foundation stone physically. Thank you, Chandrakala and Suleiman Bey. May I now request Mr. Sridhar, our Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, to welcome the dignitaries to today's function.
Good morning to all. Today the appears to stay at Yadgir. It is because of all the learned members of the bar at Yadgir today all of us are here to lay foundation stone for the new court building and bar association at Yadgir. In addition to that, past judges of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, so honorable administrative judges of Yadgir, also contributed much in one way or the other to get the land and the fund allotted for a new building. It's my pleasant duty to welcome all the dignitaries on the dais. There is honorable judges of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, who are also the members of the bar, particularly senior advocates, and our brother sister officers and the court staff. It's my primary duty to pleasure and the privilege to welcome our Honorable Chief Justice of Karnataka, Honorable Chief Justice Abhay Srinivas Vogt. Thank you, my lord, for having accepted our invitation and kind enough to attend the laying of foundation stone to the District Court Complex, Advocates Bar Association virtually. I am happy to welcome my lord on this occasion for my lord sparing valuable time. It is only because of my lord's guidance we are able to conduct this function, which is pending since long time. The judicial officers of Karnataka, indeed, is fortunate enough to have postulated the energized Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka. After my lord assuming charges as Chief Justice of Karnataka, he has done wonderful work, and even now he is doing it. It's my last vision to lay the foundation stone to the senior most group employees. So shows that my lord is having respect towards the staff and all courts in the Karnataka. I am also glad to welcome my lord Honorable Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar, Senior Judge High Court of Karnataka, who is the main source of inspiration. And my lord is also the native of Yadgir district and attend this function. In spite of my lord busy schedule, my lord is also kind enough to accept our invitation and be with us virtually. And also, I also welcome my lord. I also welcome my Honorable Justice Ashok S. Kinigi, who is also a part of our district. And my lord is also kind enough to accept our invitation and kind enough to be with us virtually. It's also my proud privilege to welcome my lord Honorable Justice Nataraj Rangaswamy, Judge High Court of Karnataka, who is also the administrative judge of High Court Yadgir. And my lord is also known for his simplicity and the concern toward the poor. My lord is always encouraging and also encouraging all the officers in the unit to work even during pandemic. I also welcome my lord. It's also my privilege to welcome the special invitees like J.C. Madhuswamy, Minister of Law, Prabhu Chavan, Minister of Animal Husbandry, and the in-charge Minister of Yadgir, and also Venkatreddy Mudgal, MLA of Yadgir constituency. I also welcome our respected Registrar General, Badamkar sir, and also T.G. Shivankara, Registrar Computer, and also Registrar Vigilance, respected madam. I also happy to welcome our Deputy Commissioner Dr. Raghapriya R, and also Superintendent of Police and the entire team. I also welcome the respected senior members of the bar, like Yadgir, Shahpur, and Surpur, President of the Bar Association, and the entire team, particularly junior members of Yadgir Bar. I also welcome Devdas Chavan, who is also the executive engineer and was struggled all along to conduct this function within a stipulated time. I also welcome the district government leaders, AGPs, DGPs, DHO, and all others who helped us directly or indirectly in organizing this function. Thank you, Odanda.
Thank you, sir. It fills our hearts with joy unspeakable to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. it's my immense pleasure to request Honorable Justice Sri Nataraj Rangaswamy, Judge High Court of Karnataka and Administrative Judge of Yadgiri to deliver the presidential address.
ಯಾದಗಿರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಭಯ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹೋಕ್ರವರೇ, ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ PS ದಿನೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕಣಿಗೆ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ರಾಘಪ್ರಿಯರವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ SP ಆದ ಋಷಿಕೇಶ್ ರವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಕೀಲ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಹಿರಿಯ ವಕೀಲರೇ, ನನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾಯಿ ಅಥವಾ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆನ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಅಭಯ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹೋಕರ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪಟ್ಟಿಡಿದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ದಿನಗಳು ನೆನೆಗುದಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕಾಮಗಾರಿನ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ ಫುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಧನ್ಯರು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು ಶಂಕುಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದಂತ ಸರ್ವೋಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದಂತ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ NK ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಫಣೀಂದ್ರರ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಲ್ದೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಹಂತದವರೆಗೂ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶೋಭೆ ತರುತ್ತೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಮುಂದೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನೋ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಭಾಸವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಶಂಕುಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಪಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಒಂದು ರೂಪುರೇಷೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಏನೋ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಈ ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳು, ವಿಚಾರಗಳು, ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಇದ್ರು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ತಮ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಿರಿಯಕರನ್ನು ನೆನೆದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಊರುವಂತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. Today we have with us Honorable Judge Sri PS Dinesh Kumar, who has joined us virtually. Now I request His Lordship to address the gathering virtually.
Good morning to everybody. with the leave of Honorable the Chief Justice, I may be permitted to speak in Kannada because the lot of local people will be more comfortable in Kannada. Thank you, Chief. ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ರಂಗಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಕಿಣಗಿ ಅವರೇ, ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ವಕೀಲ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟಿನ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳೇ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರೇ, ಉಳಿದ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರೇ, ಮಹನೀಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೇ, ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕರೆದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಕೀಲ ಮಿತ್ರರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾದಗಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. ಕಾರಣಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು. 1956 ನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ 4 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೆಯೋದೊಂದು ವಾಡಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈ ಉಳಿದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಏಕೀಕರಣ ಆದಾಗ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಬಾಂಬೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈಸೂರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಉಳಿದ ಮದ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಗಳು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು 1956ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕೀಕರಣವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬಂದದ್ದು. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬೀದರ್, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ, ರಾಯಚೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ನನ್ನ ವಕೀಲ್ ಮಿತ್ರರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗು, ಕಟ್ಟಡ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ಜಾಗ, ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ ಪರಿಸರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್, ಪರಿಸರ ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸಿನ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಿನ ನ್ಯಾಯದಾನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆದಷ್ಟು ತೀವ್ರವಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಧಾನಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಹೊಸ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಆಯಾಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಯಾದಗಿರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಸಹಿತ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಂದು ಮಾದರಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಾಗಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಹಯೋಗ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಭಾಗದ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ಸಹ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಶ್ವಾಸನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಹೊಸ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರುವ ಲಿಟಿಗೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಕೀಲರಿಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಶುಭ ಕೋರಿ ನನ್ನ 4 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರೆದದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಪುನಃ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಯಾದಗಿರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅದು ನೋಡುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನಗೆ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ 4 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
intent properly to use for the public utility.
Moving on to next phase. It said there is higher court than courts of justice, and that is the court of conscience. His court of conscience made his lordships to take clue from the 118th Law Commission report and the first National Judicial Pay Commission report to pass an administrative order in the month of Jan, instructing the appellate district courts to avoid using the expression of lower or subordinate courts, by which his lordship sent a loud and clear message that no court is inferior or lower. With this short introduction, may I now request Honorable Justice Sri Abhay Srinivas Oka, the Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka, to address the inaugural.
It is on.
My esteemed colleagues, Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar, Justice Ashok Kingi, Justice Rangaswamy Nataraj, the Registrar General and other registrars of Karnataka High Court, the Principal District Judge of Yadgiri District, the other judicial officers, the Deputy Commissioner of Yadgiri District, the President and other office bearers of the Bar Association, members of the Bar, the officers of Public Works Department, the officers of Police Department, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an historic occasion for Yadgiri district. This district was carved out way back on 31st of December 2009. The district court was established on 7th of March 2010 in a very old building which was housing the court of senior civil judge. Somehow, the work of construction of new district court building could not commence for various reasons. Though the efforts were made right from 2010 to identify a site for construction of new district court complex, various difficulties were there. There were litigations, and thus it has taken more than 10 years after we established the district court to commence the work of construction of new district court building. Now the new district court complex will consist of ground plus 1 floors, and total built up area will be 6,230 square meters. The strength of the bar at Yadgir is around 300. The members of the bar should be very happy to note that along with the district court new complex, permission has been granted to construct a bar association building which will consist of ground plus 2 floors. The total area, the total built up area of the bar association building will be 1,866 square meters. So the members of the bar are going to have a very modern and very spacious bar association building by the side of the new district court complex. The new district court complex will have 8 regular courtrooms and 1 mini courtroom, along with all the amenities like judicial service center, server room, litigants waiting room, the premises for mother and child. There will be lock-up room. There will be large office accommodation. Today, there are 4 courts functional in the district headquarters at Yadgiri. New district court complex makes a provision for 9 court halls. One of the court halls is going to be small. So perhaps while planning the building, we have taken care of future also. After this district court building is constructed, maybe for 20 to 25 years, there'll be sufficient space available, because even if the just strength at the district headquarters at Yadgir is increased from 4 to 8, still the new building will take care. Brother Justice Dinesh Kumar rightly said that our object should be to create a model court. I know that it has taken almost 10 years to start work of this new building. Ultimately, for what purpose we construct the new buildings? Today, it was told at the beginning of the function that we always treat the court building as if it is a temple. That is the object of the court building. And therefore, since this district is going to get a very modern court complex, the endeavor of the judicial officers and especially the members of the bar should be to ensure that not only there will be a modern court building, but there will be a model court. When I talk about model court, the concept is that it will render very effective and speedy justice to common man. It was said that Yadgir is considered to be one of the backward districts in the state. In fact, this concept of a district being backward district is a relative concept. My esteemed colleagues Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar and Justice Ashok Kingi are the sons of the soil. And therefore, hardly we can say that it's a backward district. It has given 2 sitting judges, 2 very hardworking judges and 2 brilliant judges to the High Court of Karnataka. Therefore, it can't be a backward district. The judicial officers and members of the bar must take inspiration from my 2 esteemed colleagues and will ensure that as and when court is constructed, it becomes fully functional. It becomes a model court. Today, foundation stone is laid, and I am glad that 2 Group D employees have been chosen to do the honor. We, the members of the bar, we, the judges, the members of the bar must remember that ultimately the Group D employees play a major role in running our institution. Without their presence and without their active support and participation, it will not be possible for any court to run it effectively. And therefore, I am glad that the principal district judge and members of the bar agreed to give this honor to 2 Group D employees. Today is the day when foundation stone is laid. Now, we should not be complacent. It is necessary for judicial officers and especially the members of the bar to monitor the progress of construction of district court, new district court complex and the bar association building. What we need is not only a complex which looks very good, but we have to ensure that quality construction takes place. And that is where regular monitoring by the judicial officers and the members of the bar is necessary. I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to participate in the function and share my few thoughts. I am sure that since the court building is already delayed, the Public Works Department will go out of the way and see that the work of construction is over at the earliest. If the Deputy Commissioner and the other officers of the state keep constant monitoring, I am sure that by the end of the year 2021, we should be in position to inaugurate at least part of the new district court complex. With that hope, I conclude my few words. I wish a great success to the judicial officers in the district and to the members of the bar. And I'm sure that with their active cooperation, we will be able to provide a model court at Yadgiri district. Thank you very much.
Good morning, one and all. Today is important and historical day for people of Yadgiri district. I am very fortunate to have an opportunity to extend the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries on the dais. It is my great privilege and immense pleasure to extend my heartily thanks to Honorable Sri Abhay Srinivas Oka, Chief Justice of Karnataka, who inaugurated this historical event virtually, and his lordship has taken special care about construction of district court complex and district advocate bar association building Yadgiri. Under the guidance and advice of the lordship, this inauguration of the laying foundation stone of district court complex and district advocate bar association Yadgiri has happened. His lordship in his inaugural speech delivered the valuable words towards the young advocates. I, on behalf of Advocate Bar Association, District Judiciary, and on my own behalf of, and extend my heartiest thanks to his lordship. On behalf of District Bar Association and District Judiciary Yadgiri, and on my own behalf of, would like to extend the heartiest thanks Honorable Sri Justice Nataraj Rangaswamy, Judge High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore, and Administrative Judge of Yadgiri district, who has taken very much interested construction of the district court complex and Advocate Bar Association building Yadgiri. His lordship is dynamic and kind-hearted, the person who has helped us to lot making this historical event grand success. I, on behalf of District Bar Association and District Judiciary Yadgiri, and on my own behalf of, extend the heartiest thanks to Honorable Sri Justice P.S. Dinesh Kumar, Judge High Court of Karnataka, who has wholly heartily agreed to the accepted or invitation and participated in virtual program despite his lordship busy schedule. I also thankful and grateful the Honorable Sri Justice Ashok Kingi, Judge High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore, who has the wholeheartedly agreed and accepted the invitation, participated in the virtual program despite his lordship busy schedule. I am very thankful and grateful to Honorable Sri S. Sridhar, Principal District and Session Judge Yadgiri, who has supported and guided to us to make the today historical function grand success. I also extended my thanks to Srimati Dr. Ragapriya, Deputy Commissioner Yadgiri, who has supported and helped us a lot of arrange this function, historical function. I extend my thanks to Sri Devidas Chavan, Executive Engineer PWD Yadgiri, who has supported and helped us a lot and did timely work in making this event successful. I also extended my heartiest thanks to Mirza Suleiman Beg, and Srimati Chandrikala, D group employees who have been involved in the ceremony of the laying foundation stone and construction of District Bar Association and District Court Complex. I also extended my heartiest thanks to all judicial officers of the unit and district judiciary staff who has directly and indirectly supported has helped to make this function grand success. I also extend to my heartiest thanks to members of the bar, the advocate of association Yadgir, Shorapur and Shahpur. Lastly, but not the least, I would like to extend to the heartiest thanks print media and electronic media, district police department and all government officers of the district. Thank you and all have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, Mr. Nadekar. Now, may I request all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, both physically appearing as well as virtually present, to join us for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
May I now seek the permission of my lordship to conclude the program?
Yes.
Cyber close ಆಗಿದೆ. Cyber close ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ. ಸೇವ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ?